Why settle for one view when you can have 4? In this video, I'm going to discover the 5 best 4-channel dash cams. These 5 elite dash cams don't just watch the road, they see everything. No blind spots, no excuses. Let's count them down. Vantrue N5. This 4-channel dash cam is designed to provide 360-degree coverage around a vehicle by recording simultaneously from the front, rear, front cabin, and rear cabin. It utilizes advanced features like Sony Starvis 2 sensors, WDR, HDR, and infrared night vision to capture clear footage even in low light conditions. The dual cabin cameras not only cover the cabin more thoroughly, but also will catch action out the side windows that the front and rear cameras will not. Blind spots might prevent true 360-degree coverage, but it's darn close. Starvis 2's remarkable performance in NIR and noise reduction allows this 4-way dash camera to capture high-speed objects, including license plates, clearly even in dark or blacklight conditions. Besides, this 4-channel dash cam can be easily controlled by multiple language voice commands. Benefiting from supercapacitors and heat-resistant materials, this 4-lens dash cam features excellent temperature resistance, a long lifespan, and high safety, which can be well adapted to extreme temperature environments. HUPEJOS GPS Dashcam. The HUPEJOS 4-channel dash camera adopts a design that does not interfere with your field of view. This camera's 150-degree wide-angle lens allows you to record roads without any blind spots. The angle of the camera can be adjusted not only forward, but also backward and in car directions. You can set it at the angle you want to shoot without being caught by traffic conflicts, but also from potential responsibilities. This dash cam has truly exceeded my expectations. First, the video quality is outstanding. The 4K resolution ensures crystal clear footage both during the day and at night, capturing license plates and road details with ease. The wide-angle lens is also fantastic, offering broad coverage with almost no blind spots, which gives me a lot of confidence while driving. Rexing R4. This advanced model offers 4 channels, each a 1080 pixel resolution, which is a unique advantage not many dash cam owners can boast. You can eliminate all blind spots by setting up your camera to record your front, rear, left, and right view as you drive. Or you can choose to point the left and right cameras' built-in IR lights to capture your cabin view, making for a fully customizable experience. To take your camera to an even higher level, we recommend using our CPL filter to reduce the glare caused by streetlights and headlights. With parking mode, the Rexing R4 is on alert for a collision even when your vehicle is turned off. When the camera detects movement, it will start to record and then turn off again to save energy. LAMTTO 4-channel Dashcam. After using the LAMTTO 4-channel dash cam, I can confidently say this is one of the most comprehensive and user-friendly dash cams I've ever owned. It comes packed with features including front, rear, inside, and left and right side cameras, night vision, a hardwire kit for 24-hour parking monitoring, and even a free 128GB memory card. A true all-in-one solution for vehicle security. What really sets this dash cam apart is the 4-channel 360-degree view. Unlike standard front and rear setups, this one also includes left and right side cameras plus an interior cam, which gives complete visibility both inside and around your vehicle. All its cameras record in 1080 pixel full HD, and the infrared night vision on the interior cam works impressively well in low light conditions. I've reviewed footage captured at night, and the clarity is excellent. Facial features and license plates are easy to see, which is critical for evidence in case of an incident. TiESFONG 4-channel GPS Dashcam. The TiESFONG 360 Dashcam is not just a dashcam, but a comprehensive surveillance solution for your vehicle. Its unique features and robust performance make it a must-have for every car owner. Stands out from the rest with its 360-degree coverage, ensuring no blind spots. It supports a maximum of 256GB of storage, allowing for extensive video recording. A key feature of this dash cam is its night vision capability. This ensures clear and detailed recording even in low light conditions. Supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, making it easy to transfer and view the recorded videos. It also features a G sensor and motion detection, which automatically triggers recording in case of any movement or impact. The TiESFONG 4-channel dashcam supports 24-hour parking monitoring, providing round-the-clock surveillance of your vehicle. Additionally, it boasts a wide dynamic range and automatic white balance, ensuring high-quality video recording under various lighting conditions. There's your top 5 subscribe. Now you'll always have eyes everywhere. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more honest reviews, and drive safe.